Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is the Cracking Toefl series. Today we are diving into the speaking section of Toefl where many test takers feel the pressure but fear not. With the right strategies and templates, you can ace this section. I did, so can you. So without any further ado, let's get to the video. The speaking section of the Toefl exam consists of 4 tasks, each designed to assess different aspects of your English speaking abilities in an academic setting. So let's break them down together. Task 1 is independent speaking. In this task, you will be asked to express your opinion on a familiar topic. You will be given 15 seconds to prepare and you will have to speak for 45 seconds. And here is a template for this specific task. Start off with a phrase like, I have never thought about this before, but I strongly believe or prefer that. Then state your opinion on or the preference on the topic. Then state the reason why you think that way with an example. This is the heart of this section. State what you feel and express the opinion quite clear with an example if possible. If you have 20 seconds left, then you can add another example to support your opinion by extending with in addition. This can be totally skipped if you have less time left to conclude the task. In the last, conclude the task by saying this is why I think and state whatever is supported. One tip that I will give is organize your thoughts before speaking and plan examples to support your points during the preparation time only. Second task is the integrated speaking task. You will be given a passage announcing or proposing a change on campus of a university. Following that, you will listen to a conversation between two people. It's crucial to take notes while listening as well as reading and to structure your response effectively. You will have 50 seconds to read the passage and then you will listen to a convo which will last for 60 to 120 seconds. You will be given 30 seconds of time to prepare your answer and you will have to speak for 60 seconds. So here is a template for this task. Start off by saying the reading passage announces or proposes a change on campus. The reading passage will mostly announce or propose that. You will have to find out if the passage is announcing a change or it is proposing a change. If it is a letter, then mostly it's proposing a change on campus. Then state the change, then add the reason for the changes. The question will ask you to state only the opinion of one person in the conversation. So start off by saying the man or the woman in the convo loves or hates the idea. He starts off by saying, then state the reason what the man or the woman mentions. Then extend the answer with saying he or she also mentioned. Conclude the task by saying, as you can see, the person in the convo is a big fan or not a big fan of the change. Task 3 is another integrated speaking task, but this time you will be reading a passage and then listen to a lecture on the same topic. Your task is to summarize the points made in the lecture and explain how they relate to the points made in the passage. You will be given 30 seconds to prepare and to speak for 60 seconds, same as the last question. Here's the template. Start off by saying, according to the reading, mention the topic. One tip, write down the topic name when you are reading and also what it is about. It will be stated in the first 2 lines of the reading. Just Ctrl C, Ctrl V it into the paper where you are taking notes. Then come to the next point. In the lecture, the professor delves deeper into the subject by explain what he said. The professor will always explain the topic using 2 to 3 examples. So state that here. Then add another detail with example by saying he goes on to say that, same detail, example. Then conclude the speaking with, so after listening now, I have better understanding of the topic. State the topic. Then task 4 and the last task of the speaking section. which is an integrated speaking task where you will listen to a lecture on an academic topic and then respond to a related question. The task assesses your ability to comprehend and analyze complex information. Point to remember, this passage or this lecture is gonna be a complex lecture. It will has harder words into it, harder definitions into it, so you will have to practice more for this type of lectures, complex lectures. Coming to the task, the time are same as the earlier task, but there is a difference in the time for the preparation. Based on the complexity of the lecture, you will have 20 seconds to 30 seconds to prepare for the exam, and you will have to speak for 60 seconds. That's the same. Here's the template. Start with the introduction of the topic by saying the professor goes into ton of detail. State the topic, then add whiches, and then explain the topic. After the introduction, continue with the body of the answer by saying, after introducing the topic, the professor first talks about, same as last question, describe the details with examples if they are available. It's not necessary that the professor will give examples to explain the details in this type of lectures. Extend the answer by saying he goes on to say details with example if available, same. And then conclude the task by saying, after hearing to the lecture, I have a better understanding. State the respective topic, and you're done. To practice all the tasks, I use the Mongoose Toefl speaking app, and for the first task, personally, I use the following app. It has various independent speaking questions. Make yourself comfortable with the templates, and also feel free to make changes to the templates according to your comfort. These are the same templates that I personally used for my TOEFL exam. Also comment down your own templates for reference, and also if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Best of luck and keep exploring.